Teriyaki Glazed Salmon. Ingredients: 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup cooking sake, 2 tablespoons mirin. Can leave this out if you wish, but it adds a nice flavor. 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon Japanese rice wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar as a substitute, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 4 by 170 grams 6 ounces skinless Atlantic salmon fillets, 1 tablespoon sesame, peanut or canola oil, 1 shallot, green onion stem, sliced to garnish, 2 cups broccoli florets, lightly steamed, 1 large zucchini, courgette ribbons. Use a vegetable peeler to do this, lightly steamed. Instructions: combine soy sauce, sake, mirin, brown sugar, vinegar and garlic powder together in a bowl. Mix until sugar has dissolved. Pour half of the marinade into a small saucepan and set aside. Rinse and pat dry salmon with a paper towel. Place the salmon fillets into the bowl with the teriyaki glaze and allow to coat for 2 minutes each side. Heat oil in a nonstick pan, skillet over medium-high heat. Fry 2 salmon fillets at a time, and any remaining glaze from the bowl. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes each side until cooked to your liking. Bring the glaze in the saucepan to the boil over high heat. Lower heat and gently simmer while stirring occasionally, until glaze reduces and thickens. Add a little extra warm water only if needed. Serve salmon over steamed vegetables and pour teriyaki glaze over the top.